Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's topic for class 11th from structure of an atom. Now our today's topic is that shapes of orbital. So let's we start today's topic is that what is shape of orbital. In our syllabus there are s orbital, shape of s orbital, shape of p orbital and shape of d orbitals. Now we will discuss that one by one. What is the shape of the s orbital, what is the shape of the p orbitals, and what is the shape of the d orbital. So let's we start. Now here shape of s orbital. s ऑर्बिटल की जो शेप होती है वो दैट इज द स्फेरिकल शेप होती है. Shape of s orbital is spherical and it is non directional. Non direction का मतलब कहीं से भी किसी भी साइड से ये ओवरलैप कर सकता है. यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास s ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं इसके लिए हमने प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम पढ़े थे लास्ट वीडियो के अंदर. तो वहाँ n की वैल्यू अगर 1 होगी तो l की वैल्यू क्या होगी, दैट इज 1 minus 1 because l is equal to n minus 1. Now from here l is equal to 0. For s orbitals the value of the l is 0 and the value of l is 0, then the magnetic moment is also 0. So from here we can write in the shape of s orbital is that the shape of s orbital is spherical. It is non-directional due to the spherical shape. Is symmetrical around the nucleus, मीन्स यहाँ मान लीजिए हमारे पास क्या है, ये न्यूक्लियस है तो इस न्यूक्लियस के चारों तरफ यहाँ ये कैसा है, एक जैसा ही होता है. सिमेट्रिकल का मीन्स एक जैसा ही होना, एक जैसी प्रॉपर्टी होनी. तो यहाँ जो अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस द s ऑर्बिटल इज सिमेट्रिकल इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस. फॉर s ऑर्बिटल the value of azimuthal quantum number azimuthal quantum number it is denoted by L, that is 0. So magnetic quantum number is also 0. Because the value of the magnetic quantum number is depend on the azimuthal quantum number which is denoted by ml. जो मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर है इसे हम किससे डिनोट करते हैं, ml से डिनोट करते हैं. और इसकी जो वैल्यू होती है दैट इज लाइज इन द रेंज फ्रॉम -l to +l. नाउ इफ the value of the azimuthal quantum number is 0, then the magnetic quantum number is also 0. Thus s orbital has only one orientation. Due to one orientation of s orbital, its shape is spherical. Its shape is spherical. Now first of all the shape of s orbital is spherical. करेक्ट कि जो s orbitals होता है उसकी जो shape होती है that is the s spherical. It is non directional ड्यू टू द स्फेरिकल शेप. ये नॉन डायरेक्शनल होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल के लिए कि मान लीजिए ये हमारे पास क्या है, एक्स एक्सिस है और ये क्या है, वाई एक्सिस है. इधर हम कह दिया ये कोई भी जेड एक्सिस है. तो यहाँ इसकी जो रोटेशन है, ओरिएंटेशन की जो इसमें सिर्फ एक ही ओरिएंटेशन है वो स्फेरिकल है. यहाँ ये किसी भी एक्सिस के अलोंग मूव नहीं करता. तो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन से दैट इट इज नॉन डायरेक्शनल इन नेचर and s orbital is symmetrical around the nucleus. This is the nucleus and s orbital is spherical. यानी कि spherical और symmetrical का मतलब एक जैसा ही होना. तो यहाँ जो न्यूक्लियस के चारों तरफ जो इसकी सिमेट्री है that is the same होती है. and s orbital the value of azimuthal quantum number that is the L. तो यहाँ पे जो L होता है वो जीरो होता है s ऑर्बिटल्स के लिए. अगर L की वैल्यू जीरो है देन द मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर इज आल्सो जीरो एंड इट हैज ओनली वन ओरिएंटेशन. ड्यू टू द वन ओरिएंटेशन इट हैव स्फेरिकल शेप. नाउ 1s 2s and 3s 4s all have spherical shape. All have spherical. अगर हम लेकिन एनर्जी और साइज की बात करें तो 1s का मतलब क्या, देखिए इधर दिस इज द न्यूक्लियस एंड हियर इज दिस इज ओनली 1s एंड हियर इज न्यूक्लियस, हियर इज 1s and here is this is the 2s. Now here the size and this is 2s. Now from here 2s have larger size as compared to 1s and so on. 3s have larger size as compared to 1s and 2s. Now if we have discussed about the energy of both orbitals, now 2s have higher energy as compared to 1s. Next is shape of p orbital. On that probability of finding an electron orbital is maximum in two loops on the opposite direction. Side of the this give rise to a dumbbell shape for p orbital. Here L is equal to 1 and magnetic quantum number, that is ML, is value lies from -1, 0 and +1. So from here p orbital have 3 orientation. Along x-axis, along x, y and z-axis. Now here ML, that is the magnetic quantum number, it is tell us about the number of the orientation. Now here the value of the ML is 3, -1, 0 and +1. So from here it is clear that the p orbitals have 3 orientation along x, y and z axis, which are designated px, py, pz respectively. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now the orientations along x-axis, this is, now here this is the lobes, where finding of an electron, where probability of finding an electron is the maximum at these sides, and here the probability of finding an electron is 0. Now these are known as nodes. Nodes, what is nodes? Now nodes are the intermediate region where the probability of finding an electron is 0. Now this is the x-axis along. Now from here it this orbital is designated as px, and this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, when the orientation along y-axis. Now here these orbitals are designated as py, and here this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis and this is the z-axis. If probability of finding an electron is maximum at z-axis, now it is designated as pz. Now there are 3 orbitals, px, py and pz. Now here these are lobes where finding of probability of finding an electron is maximum, and here these are nodes where the probability of finding an electron is 0. Here is also, here these are lobes and this is the nodes. And for px, py and pz, the value of the magnetic quantum number, that is for px, the magnetic quantum number ml, that is equal to +1, and for py, the value of the magnetic quantum number, that is equal to -1, and for pz, the magnetic quantum number, that is have value 0. Now these are the p orbital, shapes of the p orbital. These shapes are known as the dumbbell shape. These shapes are known as a dumbbell shape. Now we see that it is found that the probability of finding an electron in p orbital is maximum in 2 lobes. In 2 lobes in opposite sides of the nucleus. यहाँ हमारे पास ये क्या है? This is the nucleus and this is the 2 lobes where the probability of finding an electron is maximum. This gives rise to a dumbbell shape. इसी की वजह से जो shape होती है p orbitals की, that is the dumbbell shape. And here L is equal to 1 एंड एम एल, अगर एल की वैल्यू 1 है तो एम एल की वैल्यू कहाँ से कहाँ लाई करेगी? द वैल्यू ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर लाइज इन द रेंज ऑफ -L to +L. So from here there are the three value of magnetic quantum number. So from here we can say that there are the three orientations which are along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, which are designated as px, py and pz. For px, the magnetic quantum number, the value of the magnetic quantum number is +1, and for py, the value of the magnetic quantum number is that is -1, and for pz, the value of the magnetic quantum number is 0. Now this is the shapes of the p orbitals. Now next, shapes of d orbital. Shapes of d orbital. D orbital the value of L that is equal to 2, and magnetic quantum number that is Mn is value lies from -2 to +2. So from here -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. From here we can say that there are 5 orbitals, 5 value of magnetic quantum number are present. So there are 5 orientations are possible. So -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. There are 5 d orbital depending upon the axis along between their electron clouds. Concentrated. The 5 d orbitals are dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. Now here dz square have duff nut shape, but all orbitals, d orbitals, except dz square have double dumbbell shape. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now here in between x and y, this is dxy. Now here is plus minus, and this is that y-axis and this is z-axis. Now in between y and z-axis, this is dyz. Now this is double dumbbell shape, and this is x-axis, and assume this is z-axis. Now in between x and z, this is dzx, and here this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now here on the axis of x-axis and y-axis, the shape is dx square minus y square, and let this is z-axis. So from here, this is the dz square. Now the shape of the dz square is like definite shape, but all the d orbitals except dz square all have double dumbbell shape, and the value of azimuthal quantum number for the d orbital, that is 2, and so from here the magnetic quantum number value lies from -2 to +2. So here the value of magnetic quantum number is -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. Now from here there are 5 d orbitals depending upon the axis along between their electron clubs are concentrated, कि कहाँ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ज़्यादा फाइंड करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी जहाँ पे ज़्यादा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो शेप्स हैं डी ऑर्बिटल्स की, वो डी जेड स्क्वायर को छोड़कर बाकी सभी जो डी ऑर्बिटल्स हैं उनकी जो शेप होगी दैट इज द डबल डम्बल शेप होगी. 5 ऑर्बिटल्स प्रेजेंट है. 5 ऑर्बिटल्स कौन कौन से हैं? डी एक्स वाई, डी वाई जेड, डी जेड एक्स, डी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर एंड डी जेड स्क्वायर. नाउ हियर दिस इज आल्सो नोड्स, and now we will study that what is nodes. The intermediate region where the probability of finding an electron is 0, and number of node in any orbital that is equal to n minus l minus 1. For example, how many number of nodes are present in 2p? Now here 2, that is the principal quantum number, and principal quantum number is denoted by n. So now from here n is equal to 2, and here p, so the value of l for p orbital that is 1. So from here the number of nodes in 2p orbitals, n कितना है? 2 minus 1 and minus 1, that is 2 minus 2, that is 0. Now here number of nodes in 2p orbital is 0. And next, ये हमने लास्ट वीडियो के अंदर पढ़ा था कि अगर l की वैल्यू हमारे पास 0, 1, 2, 3, ठीक है, अगर l की वैल्यू 0 होगी तो जो ऑर्बिटल होगा दैट इज द s, डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ ऑर्बिटल. अगर हमारे पास l की वैल्यू 1 होगी तो p ऑर्बिटल होगा, l की वैल्यू 2 होगी तो d ऑर्बिटल, और l की वैल्यू 3 होगी तो f ऑर्बिटल होगा. तो अब अगर हमारे पास पूछा जाए नाउ द हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ नोड्स प्रेजेंट इन 3p. नाउ हियर 3 इज द प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर, सो फ्रॉम हियर n इज इक्वल टू 3, and L is equal to for p orbital that is 1. So now put the value in this. Here n is equal to 3 minus 1 and minus 1. Now 3 minus 2 that is equal to 1. Now how many number of knots in 3p orbitals are present? That is 1. If we have to ask how many number of knots in 4d orbital, 4d ऑर्बिटल्स के अंदर कितने नॉट्स होंगे? नंबर ऑफ नॉट्स तो यहाँ 4d. फ्रॉम हियर दैट इज द 4 इज प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर, सो फ्रॉम हियर n इज इक्वल टू 4. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ L for d orbitals the value of L is 2. Now put the value in this equations, in this formula. From here that is 4 minus 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Now how many number of knots are present in 4d orbitals? That is 1. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं. वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.